Hi, my name is Dr. David Wank, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Yoast SEO to help optimize a blog post. So if you watched the video before, you saw that we wrote this article, Why Do My Teeth Hurt When It's Cold Outside? And you notice that we started with just some text, and then we used HTML header tags to break up the content. So now that that's done, Yoast SEO can be a little bit confusing on how it works with blog posts. So take a look here. You've got readability and SEO not available. Now, like anything else, this is the kind of thing where it's like an impression. If you send a not so great impression, you might get not so great a crown. Yoast SEO only gives you based on what you've given it. So let's take a look here. Let's scroll down, and Yoast SEO gives you some choices. So first of all, let's take a look at the snippet preview. This is what this would look like in a search engine. Notice how, when we talk about meta descriptions, remember in the past you had meta keywords, ignore that now. What a meta description is, a meta description, which is optional, allows you to write a blurb about what this post is about. And I could write, this is about gum recession and the causes of it and how Dr. Wank can help you. Now, if you don't write a meta description, Google by default will go ahead and take some of the content that you already have from the article. And certainly you could modify it if you wanted to add your own. You can absolutely do that. You come here and it will let you modify that. So again, don't worry about the title of the slug. But again, if you like the first couple of words that Google takes from your post, or your page for that matter, no problem. If you want to modify it, you can certainly do that as well. Okay, so that's number one. Now, analysis. So what they want you to do is set a focus keyword. No meta description. Again, they're giving you a red mark for that, but I told you a second ago, that's okay to take the copy from the page itself. Okay, now, so let's come here into enter your focus keyword. So entering the focus keyword, again, I said in video one, I'm not looking to see if it's gum recession dentist, dentist gum recession, teeth hurt cold outside. Let's just write gum recession. And again, I'm not going to spend time thinking about what keyword I'm going to use, but gum recession. You can see immediately that it's giving me some information. Excuse me. The density is a little higher than they want. I can live with that. No meta, we can live with that. The focus gum recession does not appear in the title. Okay, we could always add an image. And let's see here, no links. We could add links. So again, these are just giving you hints to see what else you could do to make it better. So again, this is 4 greens. Come back up here to the top. Okay and okay. So what could we do? What's our title? Why do my teeth hurt when it's cold outside? So certainly if you changed it, teeth hurt cold weather. Again, let's see. It has a nice length. It doesn't like that either. So let's try teeth hurt cold. And again, does not appear in the title. What do we have in the title? Teeth hurt. Teeth hurt. So you can see all of a sudden, Yoast is very happy now. And again, so what I've done is I've modified it to basically feed it the data that it wants. And again, notice I didn't change the article at all, but I just changed the focus keyword and it's changing its data. So again, the focus keyword it's you saying to Yoast, if I were to use this focus keyword, is it, did I do a good job? So Yoast, if I use gum recession, did I do a good job to optimize for gum recession? They're telling you, not really. But if you said to Yoast again, let's come back there. Yoast, did I do a good job for teeth hurt? Yoast is saying, no, it looks like I did a pretty good job. Because notice how I got, I did a good job because Yoast is now giving me, I had a pair of OKs. And I'm just scrolling down. Sorry about that. Teeth hurt. And there you see Yoast is giving me a good, and much of this is better. So again, if you wanted to get all greens, add 10 more words, add some links. I'm not worried about stop words and slugs. They're talking about this. The slug is too long here under the snippet here. They think this slug is too long. Again, I like to have that. Again, these are not make or break things, and I wouldn't get overly concerned about them. Don't spend too much time. What I would say the best thing is make sure that you write an article that makes sense for people, and use a keyword that you. And again, this is about gum recession, and they're asking me about gum recession. So even though Yoast is not thrilled with me about it, I'm very happy writing a post here about gum recession. Now, obviously, if you did the keyword research and you found that gum recession, Short Hills, New Jersey is a really important keyword that has 100 searches a month, then yeah, absolutely, I would follow much more closely to this. But again, if you are using a keyword that's coming out of your brain and not spending too much time on worrying about the exact keyword, which is what I recommend you do, I'd rather have you write 10 articles or 5 articles out of your brain and use your best judgment on what you think the keyword is. Gum recession, loose dentures, things, broken crown, things like that, then write one article and spend time trying to tweak this. Because again, this is just a guide. So again, it's all about competition. If you're the only one, in the state who's got an article about why do my teeth hurt when it's cold outside, it doesn't matter, if you are as up with these things as you might think. So again, the take-home message is if you have a specific keyword and you know that's the keyword you want to use, it makes sense to use this as a guide. If you can't get these all green, do not spend extra time writing it. You're trying to get it that way because in the time you spend trying to get these green, you'd probably be much better off writing another article.